guys, I made this slime. Like it's like a clayish and slimy, but you can actually make it without clay and slime. First ingredient, you need to get cornstarch. Second, water. No, actually you have to get flour, then water, then food coloring, and then you start mixing till it gets a smooth buttery texture. And if you want to put a scent, you can put a scent. I put mine as raspberry scent. It smells super good, but the scent fades away and it smells extremely horrible. But at least you have this. So bye bye guys. This is fine. You cannot eat it, but if you want to eat it, you have to put sugar, flour, and water. I can't eat mine because mine has perfume on, and I put like a chemical inside that you don't actually have to use. I put poisonous chemicals in here, so I wash it. I wash my hands every time I'm done playing with it, so I do not get infected. And I also wash my face when I touch my face. So look at that. You can't actually. You see, it's a buttery, nice texture. Look at that. My food coloring was light pink. Bye bye. And here's your flour, water, sugar if you want, and perfume, slime. Bye bye.